Hey folks, is your basement kicking up a stench like a pair of sweaty gym socks left to marinate in wet dog? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're gonna roll up our sleeves and tackle that pesky moldy smell in your basement. Ready to ditch that funky aroma? Let's dive in. First things first, you gotta play detective. Moldy smells usually come from excessive moisture leading to mold growth. So, throw on those gloves, grab a mask, and get ready to do some exploring. Check your basement's walls, floors, and ceilings. Look for water stains, discoloration, anything that screams water damage. See any patches that look like fuzzy, discolored intruders on your surfaces? That's your mold. It's time to show it who's boss. Got a leak? Well, let's plug it. If it's a pipe, you might need to replace or repair. If it's a window or another opening, you might need to seal it up. If it's small, you might be able to tackle it yourself with a bit of waterproof sealant. If it's a biggie, best to call in a pro. They've got the tools and the know-how to stop that leak in its tracks. Next, we gotta breathe some life into your basement with good old-fashioned ventilation. Open those windows, install a vent or fan if you can. Consider bringing in a dehumidifier. That's a machine that sucks the moisture out of the air. It's like a personal bodyguard against mold growth. And don't forget to keep those air filters clean. Time to clean up your act, and by that, I mean your surfaces. You'll need a mix of white vinegar and water. Spray it on, then scrub, scrub, scrub. Rinse, dry, and if it's a real tough case, consider a commercial mold remover. See any damp or moldy items around? They've got to go. Pack them up, seal them tight, and check how to dispose of them properly. Replace them with new, dry items. Plastic bins are a great choice. They don't soak up moisture like cardboard boxes. Still got that funky smell? Time to bring in our secret agents. Activated charcoal and baking soda. Put some activated charcoal in a bowl and let it do its magic. No activated charcoal? No problem. Use baking soda on your carpets or upholstery. Sprinkle it on, let it sit, then vacuum it up. An air purifier is another solid weapon in your anti-smell arsenal. Look for one with a HEPA filter. It's a champ at capturing tiny particles like mold spores. Place it in your basement, crank it up, and let it do its thing. If you've tried everything and the smell still lingers, it might be time to call in the professionals. Don't worry, it doesn't mean you failed, it just means you've got a tough case on your hands. There you have it, folks. Follow these steps, and you'll transform your basement from a stink bomb into a breath of fresh air. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment below, and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, keep your basement fresh and clean.